When I first found the soul refrigerators online and when I checked them out and when we had the first rehearsal together, I immediately knew that's the kind of band I was looking for a long time. And when we had the first performance together, it went even better. This is music, this is soul, and this is what really I can only recommend if anybody wants to know what good music sounds like. Come to our performances. We're a bunch of great people and fantastic musicians. You will not regret it.